What if you could get 200 times better sensitivity from your standard ELISA workflow with just 2 extra steps? Meet Exazym, an add-on reagent kit that brings ultra-sensitive detection to your standard ELISA workflow. No specialized equipment needed. It's powered by BOLD, binding Oligo Ladder Detection, delivering up to 200 times improved sensitivity for early disease detection. It integrates into your existing sandwich ELISA. Steps 1 through 3 are your standard workflow. BOLD adds just 2 more steps to amplify the signal. In head-to-head comparisons, Exazym showed dramatically improved sensitivity for TNF-alpha, IL-4, and IL-6, detecting biomarkers at concentrations standard methods simply miss. Try Exazym and see what you're missing. Visit our website to order online or find a distributor near you.